on gas. Y'all hear that? It is a CrewCab. Gonna be working on a little bit today. So this is how she's looking right now. Yeah, she's still missing this side though. My bad. I hope you guys can hear me. But I got the cats from the single cab. They cut them, they stole them. And I got the airbox from the single cab. So I'm gonna put this on the lift and I'm gonna put those on so that way it's not hella loud like that no more. I'm a little upset because my girl got me a brand new GoPro. She's like, here, so you can start making more videos. And I also bought like a little tripod for my phone. I was like, cool, you know, I can show like the in progress, the process, you know, actual videos. I can put my phone somewhere. I didn't know I was gonna be recording today, so I didn't bring none of that. So we're gonna have to just record like this. So I was gonna, like, once again, I hate that I keep doing little short videos. They're not hella entertaining, but I'm just trying to keep y'all updated on the process, you know. Look at this poor thing though. We'll start putting it back together, you know. I got another double din. I'm gonna vacuum all this out, clean all this up, you know, start getting it back together, bringing it back to life. But for now, let's get this to the lift. Probably what I'm gonna do right now too is take the wheels off, so there's weight in the back. You guys can see it kind of opened it, tighten up the C-notch, or throw a bead. So start off with the exhaust and then that. Alright, so this is the first time I actually ever look under this truck. This is how the exhaust is. This is where the white pipe goes to, so I'm hoping it's the same length. It should be. Bolts up to here. This is where they cut it. Hey, they left me the O2 sensors, cool. All right, we got this piece off, which is the easy part. Unbolted from there, took the O2 sensors off, unplugged them, loosen them up while it's on here. Now all I gotta do is unbolt those three, and that will be off.
Be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules. My life destroyed, life destroyed. Until I woke awake, scream my mind.
It just fucking hurt. La raza, la pinche, ¿cómo se llama? La moina. Just for that, me show my face. Is it ready?
Hey, one for the head.
Can I be your superhero?
Alright, we got the exhaust on now. Everything's back together. Should have rinsed it a little bit first, hella dirty. All the O2 sensors are plugged in, bolted up back here. But I think I'm gonna just take the wheels off, grind down the C-notch, and just throw a bead on it and tighten it up. That way while it's up here, might as well. All right, so tightened up the C-notch now. About to grind down the edges. Use the wire wheel and throw a little bead on there. Shit will hurt, but I use this shit. Hello? All right, so it's all welded. They ain't hella pretty. It's been a while since I welded, but they'll hold up. Same thing with this side. They're like the top a little fatter. I was trying to get used to it, but as long as it holds up, it'll be fine. Throw a little bit of black paint on there just so it won't rust. Maybe some cavity wax and it'll be solid.
Artificial love, we just make it up, 'cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up, 'cause we already lost, addicted to the rush. I never meant to fall.
Cool. We got this side all welded up. Danny got down, you feel me? Míralo. Now we're about to put some paint on that side. Dale. Why you gotta spray my shock though? And I hit him with the Dale, güey, tú dale. Se mira chingón, mira. Oh.
Todo.
Brand new ski.
Brand new way.
Mira. Ay.
Oh shit, hit the fucking thing.
Hit that ground piece right there. Let's perch.
I'm gonna pretend I know what I'm looking at.
There you go, you got it. Está bien. What happens if you spray right now on the other side? Now that it's all hot.
Huh?
What happens if you spray this side right now that it's all hot? No creo. Vamos a ver. Wait, don't spray my fucking flashlight, please. This is boiling.
It dries up right away.
Alright.
I brought the cavity wax though. I couldn't find it, dude.
It's all good. We're gonna spray a little bit of cavity wax on the other side too. Make sure get no rusting here.
No rotation.
And throw the wheels back on y ya estuvo. Alright, so y'all heard it. She hella quiet now. But the bed actually sits pretty straight now. It ain't none of that pinch shit at the top now. So I'm pretty happy with it. It's coming along. Got to figure out. I try to plug in the stereo right now, but none of the music sound works. I don't know if maybe one of the fuses is out or some shit. I don't know. Got to mess with that. But I'm gonna park up the truck now, and that's gonna be the end of it for this video. Once again, short little video, nothing exciting, just trying to show process. Shout out to the cousin Danny for helping me out all the time. I'll catch you guys next time on the whatever car I'm working on.